a babysitter. Lesson 2.
Tong, take good care of him.
I know that you're a good babysitter.
Thank you, Mother.
Tong, take care of him.
Mm-hmm.
Be nice, Sook.
Oh, I think you can do it very well.
Let's go.
Bye-bye. Have a good time. Bye. Juk, what do you want to do? Dance? Play baseball? Sing a la la. Or I know, how about watching TV? No, you can't eat this. Oh, no. How about reading a book? Look, what is this? What is this? This is a ball. Then what is this? This is a pencil. Repeat after me. Pencil. What is this? Say candy. Candy. Oh, no. You can't eat this. Oh, you can't understand me. This is boring. What can we do? Oh, telephone. Hello, this is Tong's house.
Tong, it's Chi-Chi.
Hi, what's up?
What are you doing at home? Tong, why don't you come out and play? Can you come out now?
No, I can't.
Why?
I have to look after the baby. Do you want to come over?
Yes, with Topi. Then we can help you.
You really are my friends. Then hurry. Oh. You troublemaker. Stay still. Now listen to me, Pay attention, Or I'll spank you. Ow! It's them. Is that you, Chi-Chi? Topi? Yes. Come in.
How cute.
Cute. He's a troublemaker.
Hi, I'm Chi-Chi. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Topi. What is your name?
I'm Juk. Nice to meet you.
You're very cute.
What do you want to do, Choo-Choo?
That doesn't work. That doesn't.
Well, how about blocks? Or car racing? How about riding? or a nap.
No, nothing is working.
Oh,
Oh, why is he crying, huh?
what's wrong?
I think he's bored.
Oh no, he's still crying.
Ah, do something.
Look at me. I'm an elephant. I'm a snake. I'm a monkey. I'm a rhinoceros. Wow. I'm a pig.
Huh?
That doesn't work either. Come here.
Hop together, hop, 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 together, hop, 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 hop. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity hop. Hop, Dopey, hop, 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 hop. Dopey, hop, 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 hop. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity hop. Hop, Tee-tee, hop, 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 hop. Tee-tee, hop, 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 hop. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity hop. Hop, tung tung hop, 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 hop. Tung tung hop, 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 hop. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity hop. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity hop. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity hop.
He's still crying. What are we going to do?
Yes,
What?
I think maybe he wet his diaper.
Oh, right. Yes.
Oh,
Oh, that stinks.
I can't
Okay,
stand
good.
it.
How is it? Good?
Oh, good
You
little
little
baby.
baby, let's sleep.
You feel sleepy, Juke Juke, sleepy.
What?
Why is he crying again?
I don't know. Maybe he's hungry. Maybe it's time to feed him.
Right.
Then bring him something to eat.
He can't eat regular food.
Then what?
Maybe he wants some milk.
Let's go to the kitchen then.
Okay,
Hey, wait. I think I'm hungry too.
then we can make something for us, too.
That's great. Yeah.
Put on your apron because you're going to have fun. Have you ever been a cook or have you ever tried to cook? Cooking is really fun. It's like playing in the sun. You can make your own dishes that taste sweet and delicious. Come on and join us. You're really going to be proud of it.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, yummy.
Yes, I'm the waiter. You two play his parents.
That's a good idea.
Then shall we do that in the garden? The weather is so fine. What do you say?
Okay, let's set the table in the garden.
That sounds good. Let's go to the garden.
Come on.
Yes. That door. Let's make that the restaurant door. You are the customers, so you two come in through that door.
Okay.
That would be very exciting.
Quick and count to 10.
Why?
Well,
Tong Tong, what is he up to?
Well, I don't know. Anyway, let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not yet, not yet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, we're coming.
Oh,
Huh?
Chi-Chi.
welcome.
Good afternoon.
Do you have a table for 3 and a baby chair?
This way, please.
Oh.
Here is the menu.
Juk Juk, what do you want?
Let's order, please.
What do you want?
Well,
Are you ready to order?
what is...
What is this?
Oh, that is a combination omelet.
Then what are these?
Oh, those are cookies and cakes.
That doesn't look soft.
Anyway, what is this?
That's milk for the baby.
What are these?
Those are fresh fruits.
Is that all?
Don't you have anything else?
For today, no.
How about an omelet?
Okay, that would be fine.
You'll take that.
Yes.
Very good.
Oh, and some milk for the baby, please.
Oh, and anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Hey!
Here we
Wow.
go. Mhm.
Did we really make these? Let's eat.
Oh, how is it?
Oh, it's good, right?
What? What is it?
Does it taste strange? Is it salty? Is it spicy?
Will you pass me the salt?
Here it is.
Thank you.
How about now?
Will you pass me the pepper over there?
Oh, here.
Oh no, Tong Tong, that's too much. See, I told you that's too much. A glass of water, please?
Water, please.
Gigi, you're the waiter. Right. Could you say that once more?
A glass of water, please.
Yes.
Why does it have a string?
Okay,
Oh.
I'll put some dressing on it.
How cute!
What are you doing now? It's going to taste even more strange than before.
Oh, I'll try it. It'll be great.
Chi-Chi, are you okay?
Tong, Chi-Chi, are you done yet? I'm hungry.
Okay, we're coming.
What are we going to do? It still tastes strange.
Well, we can eat cookies and cakes here.
Right.
Where is the omelet?
We can have more delicious omelets next time.
That's okay.
What is this?
That's the check, sir.
Only us? You ate some too.
I'm the waiter and you are the customers.
That's not fair.
Yay! This was lots of fun. Why don't we stop playing restaurant and play with Juke Juke? Okay, wait. Here is the money.
Oh.
Please keep the change.
Oh. Oh. He. Hi.
Oh, Juke Juke, how can you do that? Oh,
You sweet thing.
Let's play inside.
Okay.
Oh my God! What happened here?